Thanks and welcome to my channel. It's Netpreneur again, and in this video we will learn how to do Fiverr Gig keyword research the proper way. If you are a seller on Fiverr, then you should know the importance of proper keyword research, because for every service offered on Fiverr there are thousands of gigs available for that service. So if you truly want to become a successful seller on Fiverr, then you need to learn how to optimize your gigs with the right keywords, so they can show up on the first page of search results when buyers search for the service you offer or other related services. So in this video today, I will show you how to carry out Fiverr Gig keyword research properly. And if this is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first in line to be notified whenever I publish or post fresh videos. Awesome guys, so without wasting much time, let's proceed to the business of the day. And today we're trying to learn how to do Fiverr Gig keyword research the proper way. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are simply the search queries that buyers are likely to type in the Fiverr search box while looking for sellers who offer the type of service they want. Let's use web design as a case study. A buyer who is in need of web design service will likely type or will likely search the keywords that are displayed below on screen. Now, all of those keywords are related to web design. They're related to web design service, and your job as a Fiverr seller that offers web design service on Fiverr is to use those keywords in different sections of your gigs, such as in your gig title, in your gig URL, in your gig description, for your gig tags, and also they should appear on your gig image or thumbnail. Also, if you have a gig video, make sure you mention those keywords in your gig video. It's going to go a long way to help you rank for that particular service or keywords you're trying to rank for. Now, the secret behind a successful gig on Fiverr is by doing proper keyword research and using them at the right places on your gig. You should also have it in mind that Fiverr Gig keyword research is a skill, and you have to learn it if you truly want to be successful as a seller on Fiverr. Now, it's okay to make mistakes, but with regular practice you'll become an expert at finding the right keyword for your Fiverr Gig. Alright guys, this is all you need to know about how to do Fiverr Gig keyword research the proper way. And if you would like to learn more about how to rank your Fiverr gigs fast and effectively, kindly check out my other videos. And if you also like to discover 101 easy to do hot selling gigs that can fetch you thousands of dollars every week on Fiverr, there's a free ebook on that subject, and you can find a download link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'm signing out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.